Dumpster rental service in Honesdale, Pennsylvania. Taking on a major cleanup or renovation can be overwhelming, but with the right support, it doesn't have to be. At NextGen Dumpster Rental, we're here to simplify waste removal with our dependable dumpster rental service in Honesdale, Pennsylvania. We work hard to provide fast, friendly service that makes your project easier from start to finish. Whether you're cleaning out a basement, remodeling a kitchen, or managing a full-scale construction site, we have the right dumpster for the job. Our team helps you find the perfect size to match your needs, and our flexible rental periods keep things stress-free. We know time matters, so we guarantee timely drop-offs and prompt pickups. With our dumpster rental service, you don't have to worry about delays or surprises. You can focus on your project while we handle the waste. Our dumpsters are clean, sturdy, and ready to handle everything from household junk to heavy construction debris. Honesty is a core part of our service. That's why we offer transparent pricing with no hidden costs. When you rent from us, you see what you get: quality dumpsters, dependable service, and peace of mind. Call 845-456-0335 to book your dumpster today. We'll take care of the mess so you can focus on getting the job done right.